What is the meaning of listening? There is no end to listening. There is no end to its breadth. There is no end to its thickness. There is no end to its height. There is no end to its color. There is no end to its form. There is no end to any element. It does not exist. Where there are one or two, the growth begins. So, what is listening? What is the meaning of listening? Let me tell you. If you subtract 2 and 0 from 2000, it becomes 10. This means that it is 9. So 9 times 9 is 18, 8 times 1 is 9. 9 times 9 is 27. 7 times 2 is 9. 9 times 9 is 36. 9 times 9 is 45. 9 times 9 is 40. Now, let's assume that the darkness is at the top and the light is at the bottom. Now, the darkness is at the bottom and the light is at the top. The same word is repeated. So, 9 times 6 is 54. Here, 4 times 5 is 45. So, 5 times 5 is 54. Similarly, after 9 times 6 is 54, it becomes 0. 9 times 7 is 63. 6 times 6 is 3. Here, 3 and 6 are 36. So, 6 times 3 is 9. It also becomes 0. 9 times 8 is 72. 7 times 2 is 727. It also becomes 0. 9 times 9 is 81. 8 times 1 is 9. So, 8 times 1 is 8. Here, 1 times 1 is 18. It also becomes 0. So, listening is indefinite. It is infinite. There is no end to it. Swami Vivekananda said, even if infinite people were to speak, they would not be able to reach it.
स्वामी विवेकानंद एक जन्म के अनंत जन्म भी अगर सुन और जो है बोलते तो नहीं पहुंच पाते.